So today we are going to study about what is absolute value. So absolute value has a denotation, that is, it comes inside modulus. Okay, so this is how absolute value is denoted. Now what is actually absolute value? It is the number no matter what the sign. It is always positive or zero. So absolute value is always positive or zero. It is never negative. Okay, so suppose, for example, modulus of 5. Okay, this is how absolute value is denoted as inside modulus. So what is modulus of 5? That is, what is absolute value of 5? It is 5. I told you it is always positive or zero. It can never be negative. Now another example, what would be a modulus of minus 5? That is, what would be the absolute value of minus 5? Okay, it would be 5 again, because I told it can never be negative. It is always positive or zero. So simply put the value regardless of the sign. Okay, it's that simple. Now for example, another example, what would be? It would be 7. Now what would be the absolute value of minus 7? It is 7 itself. Okay, because we are not considering the sign, we are just considering the numerical value. Now let's do some examples. Okay, the question is to simplify. Okay, first question is simplify modulus 7 plus modulus of minus 7. What would be the answer? We know absolute value of 7 is 7 itself. This plus we are putting here. Now absolute value of minus 7 is again 7 itself, because we are not considering the sign. Now you know to add 7 plus 7, it is 14. So our answer is 14. Okay, now next problem, let's do another example. Simplify modulus of minus 3 plus modulus of minus 2. Okay, this modulus means absolute value. It is denoted in modulus. Okay, the answer would be, modulus of minus 3 is, what is absolute value of minus 3? It is 3, because we are not considering the sign, plus what is the absolute value of minus 2? 2. Again, we are not considering the sign for absolute value. That is why it is always positive or zero and never negative. Now 3 plus 2, it is 5. So we got the answer as 5. It's that simple. Okay, now let's do one more example. Okay, that is modulus of 5 minus modulus of minus 2. Okay, we know absolute value of 5 is 5 itself. Now this minus sign, you're putting it here because it's outside the absolute value. Okay, that has to be considered. Now modulus of minus 2, absolute value of minus 2 is 2 itself. Okay, we're not considering the negative sign if it is inside the modulus sign. Okay, so now 5 minus 2, it's symbol 3. Got it? So next, as a homework, can you solve this for me? Modulus of minus 9 minus modulus of 2. Okay, so we learned, right, how to do. Just simplify. Okay, and find the answer for this. You know what would be modulus of minus 9, and then put the minus sign. You know what is modulus of 2. Okay, then find the answer, like how we did previously. So comment down the answer below. We'll see in the next video. Thank you.